Hi everyone, this is Elizabeth Mariama from America Visa Advisory. Nice to see you here again. If you don't know me, we are doing immigration consult for a lot of people who want to study or work in the US. And here today we have some uh, interesting policy as education application in their country of the resident, or the memo is coming out on August 28, 2025. So the question that I received from my Thai citizen, Lao citizen who already have a ban policy country, which is Lao, Myanmar, and Pakistan client as well. So here I want to explain that what is different here from what I heard from people understanding. They're thinking like if they in the US they cannot do change of status or adjustment of status anymore, which is not true. Some of people come to the US with tourist visa, plan to buy some business with a E2 visa by change of status, or student visa here in the US want to change of status to be H1B visa, or some other type of visa like O1. So here, what this new policy explain, which is I think is some misunderstand on the Facebook group early on this morning. So I'm going to explain it here briefly. So when you're looking for the policy that released on August 28, 2025, Department of State, there are summary here. That this policy that's mentioned that this policy going to effective on November 1st, 2025, which is NVC or National Visa Center will schedule immigrant visa based on their country of the resident of nationality. Like if you are from Haiti, you need to go to interview at the consulate Hassandu, and also if you came from Russia, you have option to go to Warsaw or Almaty or Tashkent at in two different visa. And here, if you are from Sudan, you have to go to Cairo, which is this policy make is clear that the immigrant immigrant visa for this dynamic processing post have to be in that country. Which is if you are like if you are Iran citizen and you're going to apply those immigrant visa, you have to go back to Abu Dhabi or Ankara or Yerevan to interview your visa or immigrant visa interview, which is immigrant. I say it's immigrant, is mean like green card, right? Yes, right. And then another thing is like there are some specific country here in the chart, which is not include a lot of a country that been asking me on the Facebook early on. So here, for some emergency reason, you can still make appointment with another third country, but with some reason, like you can if you already have exciting appointment that already make after November 1st, and you cannot you cannot this appointment you will not be rescheduled or canceled. That's make it clear one thing. The second thing is post support transfer. If we if that if that applicant would like to transfer her or his immigrant case to new consular district after NVC have been scheduled her appointment, she can contact direct to consular section directly which consular she going to transfer to. There are some public NVC public inquiry form right here that you can see it. So you can go to reschedule here as well, or after transfer from post consular to another consular, right? And then the resident requirement, if the applicant requests to interview in other country that they are not citizenship of that country, or not assigned at the consular district of the country of nationality. So you might have to request to NVC that confirm that the location applicant have been like placed resident or confirm wherever like exception inappropriate, you have like work permit over there in another third country, or you have like been living there for a while, or another reason is like emergency or emergency issue like humanitarian, like medical emergency, anything like that, you can keep that to foreign policy reason as well, and or contact NVC for that in the public inquiry form. And for the lottery visa people, that could be like that could be not easy to change back to interview in the third country as well. So I would like to suggest you guys to go back to the home country to interview either of your country in this chart or not. But this chart, it doesn't say like people who already in the US want to change status or adjustment of status have to go back to interview in the home country. They did not saying that. So just make it clear here. My advice is not legal advice. If you have any other question, please contact. Feel free to reach out our immigration attorney, which is I gonna put on the list below. So to ask about this law directly, have them give you proper consultation so that it would be held with your case, immigration petition or immigration case as well. Thank you for joining, for watching this video. We will coming up with next video about public chat policy maybe in next few days. But thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.